sentence has two parts of a sentence. So we can say that there are two parts of a sentence. First part, that is subject. Second part, predicate. So we can say that sentence have two parts, one subject and predicate. Sentence begin with subject. Subject means noun or pronoun. So we have to write subject. In subject we have to write noun or pronoun, and the rest parts of sentence become a predicate. Let me see here some examples. Now we see the definition of subject parts of the sentence. So the doer of the action is called subject of a sentence. So initially in a sentence, subject comes first. Each and every sentence beginning with a subject. Subject means noun or pronoun. So we can say that sentence beginning with subject. In our first example, the cow give us milk. So here the cow became our first example. The cow became subject. In our second example, the teachers are in the school. So the teacher become subject. In a third example, Ved is playing cricket. So Ved become subject in a sentence. But I have not written subject in our fourth and fifth example. I read the fourth example. Don't disturb me. So here fourth example is a imperative sentence, and in imperative sentence subject is missing here. So we can write the names of any person or general subject if we wants to write. So we can write here you is a general subject. In a fifth example, pay attention here. So pay attention here become a imperative sentence. So in an imperative sentence, subject is not given. Why the subject is not given? Because the instruction, the command, the request is given to each and every person, but that is not sure to whom she is given. So we can write here the general subject you, or either we can write the names of any person. Then predicate. Now we see the definition of predicate. Predicate means the action done by the doer is called predicate of a sentence. So we can say that what the subject is doing, we have to write in predicate. In our first example, the sun shine brightly. So here the sun becomes subject and shine brightly become predicate. In our second example, Chris and Heath are the best friend. So here both name is given here in a subject, Chris and Heath. But what they are doing, are the best friend become predicate. In our third example, we is given here. We means pronoun is given, but the rest parts of sentence are reading the book become predicates. Then once again the fourth example, never do late work. So here the sentence is given here in an imperative sentence. So in an imperative sentence, subject is not given here, subject is missing. So we can write the names of any person or general subject you. So now here never do late become whole sentence become predicate. In a fifth example, mind your work So here once again fifth example is imperative sentence. So here subject is not given. So whole sentence mind your work become predicate. Thank you.